Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make data summaries in Excel. We'll dive into the core techniques that transform raw data into meaningful insights. You'll learn how to quickly grasp the essence of your information, making better decisions. This process is crucial for anyone working with large datasets, helping you save valuable time and effort. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your data with just a few simple steps. The cornerstone of effective data summarization in Excel is the pivot table. This incredibly powerful feature allows you to quickly reorganize and summarize vast amounts of data with just a few clicks. Imagine having thousands of rows of data and needing to see totals by region or product category. A pivot table can do this in seconds. It's a dynamic tool that adapts to your analytical needs, providing flexibility and speed. To truly master pivot tables, explore their key features. You can group data by various criteria, such as months, quarters, or even custom numerical ranges, providing a high-level overview. Filtering allows you to narrow down your focus to specific items or periods. Furthermore, you can select different summary functions, like calculating the sum, average, or count, giving you diverse perspectives on your data. These options offer immense control over your analysis. For the most effective data summaries, always start with clean, well-structured source data. This foundation prevents errors and ensures accurate results. Use clear and descriptive headings for all your columns, making your pivot table fields easy to understand. Remember to refresh your pivot tables regularly to reflect any changes in your underlying data. Following these simple best practices will significantly enhance the reliability and utility of your data summaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.